Hello everyone, and this is Edmond Mindaros channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to fix mouse pointer moves when pressing arrow keys. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So ang next step ay dito lang sa start menu. So right click lang tayo and then select mo lang yung settings. Dito sa settings ay kailangan mo lang i-select yung accessibility. So click lang natin yan. And then dito sa accessibility, kailangan lang natin i-search or select lang natin yung mouse. Ito siya. So click lang natin yan. And then dito sa accessibility ng mouse, kung paano ba natin ipipix yung pointer moves, ay kailangan lang natin itong i-turn off. Alright, so nakita nyo dito na naka-turn on siya. So turn off na siya. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin ipipix yung mouse pointer moves when pressing arrow keys. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment down below. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.